How to solve Facebook video has no sound. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So the first option is to open Facebook. Click on the three bars at the top right corner. Scroll down and click on Setting and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Click on Media. And under Video and Photo Settings, you'll see this Sound in the app. So make sure that this option is turned on. If this doesn't work, open your phone settings. Click on Sound and Vibration and make sure this media is turned on. If this doesn't work, long press on Facebook. Click on App Info and then click on Clear Data at the bottom and click on Clear Cache. So this is how to solve Facebook video has no sound. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.